Thank all the individuals visiting here who made the entire exercise last year worthwhile. All these toppers here deserve a big hand, please. I call upon Dr. Karan. Few points to the report. Yeah, she deserves a much better hand than this. Few points. Rank 8, JIGMA. Rank 58, AIMS. PNPG, rank 4. Few more extra credentials for Dr. Karan. 74.16 out of 90. For a kind information, the only candidate in the entire state to score above 200 questions in KNP 2015 exam. Only candidate. Nobody else did it. In the entire state. Around 8,000 people wrote this exam. The only candidate to do that. What are the other onlys she had? The only candidate is to score over 200 correct questions. Most importantly, she has written history in the last 1 decade. What is that? The only candidate within the top 5 ranks in any TNPG exam in the last decade with just 1 extra mark. This has not been done by anybody else for the last 10 years. This deserves a big hand, please. She is a boost to a fresher. For a fresher, they approach PNPG with much skepticism. They feel PNPG is untouchable for a fresher. She broke the rule and got it. One more point I want to say, she wanted to become radiologist. She got 8th rank with JIGMA. Unfortunately, 1 and 2 took radiology, so she did not get JIGMA radiology. She came out of the counseling hall without opting a seat. That, in my opinion, is a very, very, very brave decision. To come out of the counseling hall without a seat. I asked her after the counseling, what is the next plan? Terminal exam. I told, I know how tough terminal exam is there. I am running a race, at least 10 marks, I am behind somebody. I should work hard, I do that, and she has got rank 4. This is the interaction she needs, and she is the ideal candidate she could speak to and tell what you can expect from the examinations. Most welcome, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Good morning to all. First, I would like to thank my parents and God and the entire Positive family to help me to achieve this. Regarding classes in Positive, all the consultants here are the most experienced one. Sir has chosen every consultant like a gem to teach that subject. More important is attending the classes, come prepared for the class, that is important, and more important is going back home and revising the topics entering class and writing the tests regularly. For any entrance exam, the best method will be writing down the most frequently asked questions, the topics from which they are asked, and go to the standard textbook, read from it. Then again come back to the MCQs, and where all you have left over, that topics can be read in more detail. So, for the past 2 to 3 years, the direct repeats have been reduced.
She has chosen individual medicine at New College. One point I want to say regarding Karthika, Dr. Karthika, she was the one candidate who attended all 40 sessions last year. Most welcome, Doctor. Good morning, please.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I thank God and then Positive team and my family members for their support for achieving this. I want to say just 3 things. First thing is attend the classes punctually and also regularly. This will help to channelize you to achieve your goals and to go in the right path. And second thing is sir's instructions. Do what sir says. His words are so energetic, boosting us and encouraging us. Even if you follow 70% of his words, I'm sure you'll be in the toppers list. So attend the class regularly and follow sir's instructions and do accordingly. And finally, the exam, write every exam sincerely, even it is pre-test or revision, model exam, online subject-wise exams. This will help you to know where you stand. Finally, in one sentence, keep God first, do what Sir says, success is yours. Thank you.
Kundavi was with us in our association. She's a gynecologist basically. My thanks to God and my family and my positive family. In all your classes, sir used to say if you have a class on Sunday, you have to work 3 days before for this week's class and the next 3 days to cover what they taught you today. And from Thursday, Friday, Saturday you have to work for the next class. If you do that, definitely you can cover at their pace. Sir maintains a register called commitment quotient. Most of us don't fill it. But when sir said how important that is, I went home and did the commitment quotient for myself in my home. And I realized I would have spent one whole day doing maybe biochemistry. I would have covered very little. I started writing down how much time actually effectively I spent for that particular subject. I told you commitment quotient register. This is the register of maintain. It's called commitment quotient. I don't believe in IQ, intelligence quotient. When you become MBBS, your intelligence is somewhere 95, 105. Nothing beyond that, nothing below that. The commitment quotient can be 0 to 100. So we have a register. Register 1 is written as 0 to 1 hour. 1 hour per day. How much hour you spend per day in that week? The second register is superscribed as 1. The third register is written 5 to 10 hours per day. The fourth register is superscribed as more than 10 hours per day. So we keep this in all sessions everywhere. I request my candidates to enter that account. Every week after the period is over, I used to go and check this register. Once I went and checked this register, the register 1, so from 0 to 1 hour, there was no entry. I was very happy. I went to the next register, 1 to 5 hours. There was no entry. I became very catastrophic. I went to the third register, 5 to 10 hours. Again, no entry. With full hope that all my candidates are waiting for 10 hours, I went to that to my dismay, no entry. The point was after July to remove the registry. What registries have no role after July? 0 to 1 hour has no role. If it is 0 to 1 hour, you can get it up to 2025, not before that. If it is 1 hour, 1 to 5 hours should be removed. But my candidates were very magnanimous that made me remove all 4 registers. Don't do that. Whether I maintain a secret or not, the man above maintains that and your ranks depends on that. She told regarding pre-test, I want to underline, in my limited experience of 10 years, the pre-test top ranks here, I compare with the main rank. Some top ranks here might not have got ranks there, but not a single candidate in this 10 years whose name was not there in the pre-test top years had ranks in the main list. Take it from me. Not a single candidate I have seen in the past 10 years whose rank was not in the pre-test got it there. Not possible. Not at all possible. So please put up more efforts and do it. Thanks a lot for reminding me. Thanks a lot. Good. Now I call upon Dr. Suresh Kumar was with us. He was taken individual medicine at Bangalore Medical College. A big hand please. Good morning to everybody. Being a service I came here for my speech towards you. First of all, for the risk factors towards the PG preparation. Being a service candidate is 25% risk factor. Having a kid and having is a 25%. Married is a 25%. Before that, married 25%. But the second time preparation, that also 25%. Had all the risk factors in mind. But being a positive family, I really got through only because of Dr. Manoharajan sir and his positive family. I entirely convey my thanks to the team and Manoharajan sir really guided me, motivated me, helped me and all. Dr. Walden please, she has taken independence at Bangalore College. Behind please.
Good morning to everyone. First of all, I thank the God, my sir, my agent sir, my family, my kids, and my parents, and everyone who supported me to achieve this. Being a service candidate, having 2 kids, because of only class motivation only I got this. First of when I came to this class, I have no idea in my mind because there is a 8 years gap between my MBBS and this one. Every family factors is distracting me from this. How do I got this? How do I go through these exams and all? Because of class motivation, this positivity, faculties, approaches, they teaching to the core what to study, from where we have to study, everything about the pre-test and all the. Last time I have 5. Tests in online. It supported me very much how to answer the questions, how to manage the time while doing the entrance exam. It is the only way where that 5 online tests I very much very thankful to the sir and the positive team. Thank you.
This was a special project. Was he has finished his D1. He used to come to the class each session from Tanjore. At least 3 hours coming, 3 hours going, 6 hours, not for 1 week, for 40 weeks. Now he is an MS orthopedics consultant and he has just joined at KMC. A big hand please.
First boost Dr. Bhaskar Chandra. Our introduced in 8th language, he got a 2nd rank in positive family. I was married just ஃபஸ்ட்டு முதல் 2 ரோலில் உட்காரணும் கண்டிப்பாக நெக்ஸ்ட் ரிசல்ட் சொன்னார். அதே மாதிரி இங்கே உட்காந்துருக்கீங்க எல்லாமே ஃபஸ்ட்டு 2 ரோஸ் தான். அதே லாஸ்ட் ரோல் உட்காந்துருந்தீங்கன்னா சொல்லுவோம். அந்தளவுக்கு எனர்ஜெட்டிக்காக சாரோட மனோரஞ்சன் சார் ஸ்பீச்சை கேட்டாலே நீங்கள் சீட் எடுத்துருவீங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்க. அது மாதிரி வெரி என்கரேஜிங் ஸ்பீச்சு, எனர்ஜெட்டிக் பூஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க சார். சார் சொல்கிற ஒவ்வொரு லைனும் ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டும் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். பர்டிகுலராக நான் சர்வீஸ் ஸ்பீச்சஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக வாங்கிடலாம். சாரோட கைடன்ஸ் 100% ஃபாலோ பண்ணிங்கன்னா 100% சீட் உண்டு.
Dr. Dakshinamurthy, he has got MS General Surgery at Salem Medical College. Dr. Dakshinamurthy, please.
ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாசிட்டிவ் வரும்போது சீட் கிடைக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட் கிடையாது. என்ன ரீசன் அப்படின்னா நான் வந்து ஒர்க்கிங், மேரிட், சைல்டு, ஃபேமிலியோடு நான் தங்கியிருந்தேன். அப்புறம் மனோரஞ்சன் சார் தான் ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ணி எப்படிலாம் படித்தா ஈஸியாக மார்க் வாங்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத ஃபுல்லாக சொன்னார். அவர் சொன்னதை நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணது வந்து 50% ஃபாலோ பண்ணியிருக்கேன். 100% நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணியிருந்தா வித்தின் 10 ரேங்க்ஸ் கூட கண்டிப்பாக வந்திருக்கலாம்.
He has got MS Optal at Salem Medical College. Sure.
The entire positive team for guiding me, and my family, they supported me a lot. Then regarding this PG preparation, the positive handouts given here, they were very useful to me. In that each and every word is an MCQ. Then notes given by Manoranjan sir and notes given in all classes were very useful to me. Then I attended all the pre-test. Please attend pre-test without fail. Then if you study till the end, you will get your dream PG. Thank you.
Muthu Kumar, he has taken MS Ortho at Annamalai Medical College.
First of all, I thank my family and positive family. 2 பேர் சப்போர்ட் இல்லைன்னா கண்டிப்பாக எடுத்துருக்க முடியாது. சிம்பிளாக சீட் பண்ணி ஒரே இடத்துல முடிச்சிடலாம். சார் சொல்கிற பேச்சை கேட்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். சார் என்ன சொல்லுவார், ஃபஸ்ட்டு கிளாஸ்க்கு வரணும், கிளாஸை மிஸ் பண்ணி வரணும். நீங்கள் மிஸ் பண்ணல, 1 கிளாஸ் மிஸ் ஆச்சு, அந்த கிளாஸை மோஸ்ட்லி வந்துட்டோம்.
As I told, first point, you have to pre-test. But second most important point, I would add, please hand over the worksheets. Don't write it just straight away. I was told to hand over the worksheets until assess exactly where you stand and if you assess yourself where you stand. Each week there should be some progress. That's the most important thing. I now thank all the tutors who came here just for their efforts, for their ranks, made everything worthwhile. The last 1 year of efforts was pacified by the ranks. The first she ranked up immediately when she got the 4th rank was still in person in the way. 4th rank, when she got 8th rank in German, she ranked all those ranks. That Kundali rank when she got 100th rank, all these pleasant memories are the ranks which makes everything worthwhile. Next year, the entire project should translate here. There is not a request. It should be 4 here. I should have 3 or 4 more rows here. Okay, that is what we strive for. For this, I should thank several people also. I should thank God first and all my students here on this side also. And one more thing which deserves a credit of my team here, I should introduce. They will have with you Mrs. Kalamani, Mr. Kalamatu, you can please come in. Mr. Ramesh, Ms. Priya. But for these 4 people, I could not remote control here, sitting 5 kilometers away from there. They did a fabulous job, and whatever thing you can ask them, they will have presently to answer you. So, a big hand please. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.